Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to activate your Second Step Classroom Kit. Follow these simple instructions to get started and begin using the comprehensive resources provided in the kit. Step 1. Locate your activation key. Before you begin, ensure you have your activation key ready. The key should have been included with your Second Step Classroom Kit or provided to you via email. If you can't find it, check your order confirmation or contact customer support for assistance. Step 2. Visit the activation website. Go to the official Second Step website at www.secondstep.org using any internet browser. Step 3. Log in to your account. If you already have an account on secondstep.org, click the Login button in the top right corner of the home page. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you do not have an account, you'll need to create one by clicking Sign Up and following the prompts. Step 4. Enter your activation key. Once logged in, navigate to the Activate Your Program page. Here, you will find a space to enter your activation key. Carefully type in the key exactly as it appears. Note that activation keys are case-sensitive. Step 5. Confirm activation. After entering your key, click the Activate button. The system will validate your key. If the key is correct, you will receive a confirmation message that your classroom kit has been successfully activated. Step 6. Access your resources. Once activated, you'll be able to access all of the Second Step resources associated with your classroom kit. This includes lessons, activities, and materials designed to help foster social-emotional learning in your classroom. Step 7. Start teaching. With everything activated, you're now ready to begin using the resources with your students. Explore the digital content, download printable materials, and start implementing the lessons right away. If you experience any issues during the activation process, don't hesitate to reach out to Second Step customer support for further assistance. Good luck and enjoy enhancing your classroom with the Second Step Classroom Kit. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.